Hey everyone, my name is Tiffany and this channel is dedicated for you millennials who are like me and trying to get a boost with your financial situation. Now today I'm going to be discussing with you 5 ways that you can invest to make your money work for you and you not work for your money. Now if you want to make sure that your extra cash doesn't disappear, you're going to need to invest it right away. Now, a certain amount of analysis is fine if it helps you find the right investment options for your goals, but you're still going to need to act fast. You need to be smart about your investing if you want all of those extra dollars to count. With that being said, I wanted to share what I believe are the 5 best ways to invest your excess funds that you may have. So first, we're going to be talking about investing in the stock market. Well, everyone knows that investing in the stock market has historically paid off. There are far too many people out there who don't trust the financial markets and just choose to sit on the sidelines altogether. Now, I'm not telling you to pour every extra cent that you have into stocks. That just doesn't make sense. Instead, I'm suggesting you invest small sums of money over a period of time using a method called dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging requires us to trickle our money into investments over any length of time. Rather than picking individual stocks, I would actually suggest putting money into S&P 500 index ETFs, such as Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The second place to stash some of your cash this year is in this peer-to-peer lending platform, such as Lending Club and Prosper. Now, with these companies, you're able to loan money to individuals in small increments as if you were the bank yourself. Now, the best part is you get to earn a pretty decent rate of return. That rate of return can range anywhere from 5 to 7% for safer loans and even more for riskier loans. As an investor in peer-to-peer lending, you're investing in other people and their goals. Now, it's comforting knowing that you aren't lending people that you don't know this large sum of money. Instead, the money you invest is split up into increments as small as $25 over hundreds or even thousands of loans. The third method is real estate. This investment strategy is definitely one to consider. Now, there are many ways to invest in real estate, so I'm not suggesting everyone run out and buy an investment property. After all, we all know that not everybody is cut out to be a landlord. Obviously, one way is to purchase real estate property as an investment and rent it and collect that rent as profit. But fortunately, there are plenty of ways to invest in real estate without dealing with the physical property itself. Another way is to become like a silent partner with someone who does real estate investing and manages properties so you can get your dividends and your profits of the money that you invested. Now, one option that I'm really excited to talk about today is a company called Fundrise. They buy commercial properties and allow investors to invest small sums of money. You may own part of a commercial real estate project, but you don't even see or deal with the property yourself. Now, the fourth way to invest some of your cash is into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This is a speculative investment and has a lot of risks, but gains can be big as well. So some of you might not agree at all with this, which is totally fine. And everyone has their own point of view, but digital cash is a real trend worldwide, and if you think Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have even the slightest chance of success, it's definitely worth putting your money into it. Well, here you would only put money which you are okay to lose and won't affect your lifestyle since it is such a risky investment. But this investment may give you a huge return in the end. Now, the fifth and last place to put your money is to invest in yourself. This last investment option might sound cheesy, but it's definitely one of the best investments anyone can make. Now, by investing in yourself, you are improving the biggest asset you'll ever have. Believe it or not, there are actually a ton of ways to invest in yourself that actually don't cost a ton of cash at all. One of the best ways to improve yourself could actually be free if you have a library. I myself am a bookworm, so the library is one of my favorite places to be. Now, investing in yourself might sound a little cliche, and it probably is, but it's a bet that could definitely pay off. And if you want to make the most of your investments this year, betting on yourself is one of the smartest moves that you can make. Investing in yourself can be as simple as going to school or taking classes to obtain specialized skills, which will actually give you a huge edge in career build to start making more money. Right now, I myself am taking more courses to further my own career, so never stop learning. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 5 ways that I have to get your money to work for you by investing. And if you like these types of videos, don't forget to click the like button. And if you haven't already, make sure that you do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get alerts when new videos are uploaded. And as always, we will talk to you guys soon.